Alright, what did you just order, Martine?
Some fish. I'm excited. Let's see how good it is.
You got a soda?
I got the classic Coke. Nice flavors. Exploding in my mouth. Got a little salad too. I'm excited.
Damn, Martine. I'm on a diet.
Well, he's like in like somewhere in Asia, but he's always just trying like weird
What do you think?
weird foods.
Just exploded in my mouth. Oh, gracias. Taco. Estoy comiéndome tacos aquí. Nice, dude.
How is it? How is it? Is it good?
It's really good. Really good guacamole. With the cheese and the, just puts it all together.
Nice.
And look, I got the beer too. 85 calories.
Wow.
Dude, I don't know about it, bro.
That's a little funny, dude.
I don't know about it. I don't know about this, Martine.
What is that? It's a surprise.
You can do it, Miko.
I don't know.
You can do it, man.
Oh, here's a shrimp.
A lo mejor no. Ven, te lo cambio. Ven, de veras. A ver, ay, querida, yo lo abro. Yo lo miro bonito. Te lo cambio.
Está relleno de mucha carne.
Oh, sí.
Sí.
Oh, Martine. Oh, man.
I did. Thank God.
You did redeem yourself, man. Good job.
One bad.
Take a bite, dude.
Oh, I need some tortillas, man.
Oh, alright. Careful, man. It's hot. Oh,
Here's
damn.
another bag. Here's another bag.